Every semester, Gateway has a common final exam for Math 151. The data then is collected for the common final exam, and the data is used to try to improve the course for the next year. The purpose of this video is to show you how to upload the common final exam into the MyLab Statistics course shell. Because of the unique scenario of this semester, we're going to all have common final exams in the MyLab Statistics course shell instead of doing paper-based tests. To upload the common final exam into the MyLab Statistics course shell in your course, select your Math 151 Blackboard course. Once that's loaded, find the MyLab Statistics Instructor Resource tab. So if you go to Ultra, that might look different than if you're in Blackboard Learn. But in Blackboard Learn, it'll be over here on the left-hand ribbon. In Blackboard Ultra, it will have a drop-down menu. So here's my MyLab Statistics Instructor Resource link. And then you can just go ahead and select MyLab Statistics Assignment Manager. Once you do that, you're going to want to create an assignment. But now, instead of creating a test, we want to import/copy an assignment from another course. Then, go ahead and select Import Assignment from other courses using this book. And now select the second option, which are assignments from other instructor courses at KCTCS. Now what you want to do is the drop-down menu, select the correct course that has the common final exam within it. The course that will have the common final exam, scroll all the way down until you see Math 151, and then the one that you want to select is this one, Math 151, Introduction to Applied Statistics 1494/98Z2, and that's associated with Glenna Harold's course. So if you click that, and then next, and again, there's the information for the course that you want to select. Click next, and there will only be one option there, and the one option is the common final exam. And then once you import it, you can click OK, and you'll see the common final exam. I uploaded it twice, but you'll see the common final exam there. And then you can edit and change the settings as you see fit. All right. Thank you for all your work, and feel free to contact me if you have any trouble uploading the common final exam.